Well, guys and girls, we've got something very cool to show you because we love it a lot and we take it everywhere. It is a quokka made by Oswit.
It is a foldable travel pit that is super easy to set up. We use it everywhere, and we use it as a fire pit, a cooking station,
A spit roast.
we
cook everything on it. Breakfast, lunch and tea.
Grill plate for bacon and eggs. It's awesome.
Well, this is our backyard today. Have a look at this. Right out in nature.
How's the Serenity?
They come in a small, medium and large. We've been using the medium one for about 12 months, and as you can see, it is well used, but it's still in great nick. Now, you're going to be seeing the quokka used a lot throughout the series because we're going to use it every single episode.
We are going to do a cooking segment on every single episode.
Yeah. Except a survival challenge, because we can't take this away on a survival challenge, which is in the last episode.
It's kind of cheating.
So we're going to show you how quick and easy this is to put together. Do you want to unfold that for me, please? Put the clips on. So the whole unit is high quality stainless steel, every piece of it except this. This is cast iron. Now this is your grill plate that goes in the bottom like that, allows all your timber or your heat beads or whatever you're cooking with to sit up off the bottom for the air to rush through and keep it going, burning longer. Well, this is the next part that goes on. And this has got 3 different settings and sits on nicely like this. Okay, I had it upside down. This looks a lot better. It actually sits a bit better too. So there's your 3 settings. 1, 2, 3. Obviously, the lower it is, the hotter it is, the higher it is, the cooler it is. Very self-explanatory. And it also comes, the large ones come with this awesome grill plate. So you've got your sausage cooking there, or your hamburgers there, or whatever, however, which way you like to do it. And you also have this other one, which we've been using on our smaller quokka. So that's that too. And the piece de resistance, the part I love the most, because I love cooking lamb roast and pork, and that's the spit roast. So these are obviously off our other one, but they're one size fits all, so you only need 1 set for every unit. Simply just slide on like that. You can get these Gasmate motors, which fit perfectly down there, because Oswit have designed these brackets to fit straight on this Gasmate battery-operated spit roast machine. Thank you. You meant to do it. Check that out. Slides in like so. Put your meat on. Spin, set and forget. How good is that? Well, as you can see, this quokka is an absolute cracker. We're going to be taking it over to the blue water because it looks like it's about to rain and we want to get in shelter, but we're going to be taking it apart and we're going to christen it with some nice fresh heat beads inside.
We are, and we will be cooking a hobo pocket, which is one of the most affordable meals that we have found when we're off-grid.
That's right. We make them all the time with the kids. It's actually fun to see who can make the better one because you can literally put anything in them, and we're going to show you when we get over there.